Hello there. In this time, let's make this part. Here I have the blueprint. So let's start. We create a new file. Yes, okay. And select the plane, the sketch. Select this and we draw the profile. First, let's draw this construction line and now a circle. Select this point and the circle. We made coincident and these 3 points, an arc. We draw a 2 and draw a line, construction line, and this point and this are coincident, and this are tangent, and this also. Press Ctrl C and this are tangent. Let's see, sorry, and yes, these two lines are tangent, so select this and this, and we made dimensions. Sorry, let's skip dimensions. And the first one is 32. So and diameter is 64 millimeters, and this is 40 millimeters. Oh, sorry, 20 radius, and the distance it's 92. And we draw a line here. Let's cut this part and this, okay, and the width is 32. Options, extrude 32, select plane, middle plane, accept. Now select again this plane, sketch, space key, and select this, convert, select construction line. Now we draw a circle with a 60 millimeters. Let's draw 2 lines and escape. Cut this part and options, revolution, revolution, and select this line. We accept. Select this face, sketch. Now let's draw a line, construction line, and arc 3 points. Select this point and this, and select this vertical and this tangent, and the dimension is 32. Now let's close the profile like this, and that's it. Let's exit from this sketch. Select this plane, sketch, and select this view. Now let's convert this line, and that's it. Let's exit and select this option. The profile is this, and the path is this. Sorry, delete. Select this. Now select the here, delete, and select this. And here is a tangent about the path above, and that's it. Now select this empty, and the dimension is 4 millimeters. Okay. Select this plane. Select this. Sorry. Delete this. It's respect this plane. Oh, sorry. I can see one. This, and the offset is 4 millimeters. Select this. Now we draw a circle, concentric, and the dimension is 12 with 4 millimeters wall thickness. So the first circle it's 12 millimeters, and the last one 20 millimeters. Options, extrude, select until next. Now select this face, sketch, let's draw a line here. That's it. Okay. Now we create a circle parameter here, and here it's three elements. Sorry, I can see one. Delete and select this. Okay, we convert these two lines. Select and select construction lines, and let's cut this part and this Okay, so options, let's exit and select this option. Here is 4 millimeters and the direction it's okay, and okay, that's it. Now let's create a fillet. It's 4 millimeters here and here. Okay, so here is delete. Okay, select again this option, 4 millimeters, and accept. Now again, here is 1 millimeters. It's here, 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 and as you can see, it's only details. You have to detail this part with fillets, and that's it. So I hope that you can finish this part. Here is the blueprint. In all these edges has a fillet, so you can create, and like this we finish this part. It wasn't difficult, but it's important that you have you can learn blueprints. It's an important thing, and with that you can make each part that you want. So this is the end, and see you.